Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this beautiful Saturday afternoon? It's a nice relaxing day, for me at least. Today was and right now I'm about to take a nice long ride to New Jersey, so that's pretty exciting. Always a big fan of cruise to New Jersey, and it's actually a relatively nice day today. It's 50 degrees and can't complain. I'm just kind of cruising. Feels nice to be out and about. And on my way to New Jersey, I need to stop by Chase Bank and grab some cash. That would be really nice if I can make that happen. And we're gonna get stuck at this red light, which is okay, which is all right. So I was gonna go on the highway to get on the Williamsburg Bridge, because right now I'm heading into Manhattan. Right now we're in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I'm heading into Manhattan, but I decided to not go on the BQE and just go local, because there was like tons of traffic that way, and I didn't want to start off immediately by getting stuck in traffic, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into Manhattan over Williamsburg Bridge, and then I'm probably gonna go along 3rd Avenue. I'm thinking to 31st-ish Street to get to go to the Chase Bank over there, and then cut across to the west side and then pop into Lincoln Tunnel. I'm not exactly sure if this vlog will be one big vlog, because it is an hour ride, and I'm not sure if I want to, you know, post up an hour-long cruise. But you never know. I keep threatening to do that, but I usually break them up into 2 parts, which is okay, which is totally all right. And look at this person, like, he's a good 8 feet back from the line for no other reason than for fun. So yeah, we're taking a left on Marcy Avenue. My Senna is yelling into my ear, which I do appreciate. Actually, it's not Senna, it's Waze. But yeah, Senna and Waze working together. And it's funny how in the sun it's actually hot, but it's not going to be hot when you're cruising. Also, tomorrow when I'm coming back, see, like, I'm wearing these awesome Lee Parks design gloves. They're nice and warm. But tomorrow it won't be such a case, because oh look, there's some popo right there. Yeah, it won't be such a case, because tomorrow I'll be wearing just regular gloves and not these warm gloves. So we shall see. Here we are, about to get to Williamsburg Bridge with a cop behind me. Always a good feeling, always something I enjoy. Oh, there we go. There we go. So whatever I was talking about. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'll be riding back with my regular gloves and not these extra thermal gloves by Lee Parks Designs. And tomorrow the temperature will be 10 degrees cooler at very least. I'm looking right now, it's 50, and tomorrow I'm looking at 38, you know, 37, maybe 40 if I'm lucky. But I guess we'll find out soon enough. We'll find out soon enough. Green light. Here we go. No rush, brothers and sisters. All good. Normally I would get around all these people, but I'm not gonna do such thing today. I'm just gonna stay behind them like a good boy. No need to you know, do any sort of cool moves. Just gonna take it easy today. That's what I told myself. I was like, you know, I think today I'm just gonna do an exemplatory good ride, where I'm just a good rider, good person, you know, all that. I know those rides, that's what I always say, but this time it's for real. I'm actually a little bit warm. I'm surprised. I am wearing like a lot of thermals, you know, because I want to make sure I'm not cold by any means. And I might have overdone it, which is pretty funny. Yeah, I'm definitely riding chiller. Oh, look, that's a J or M train. It's pretty cool. I don't know where it's taking me. The GPS is all confused because I'm already on Williamsburg Bridge and the GPS is telling me something else. Let's enjoy the bridge. Beautiful. It's always nice to cross the bridge without too much traffic and nonsense. That's what I like the most. Yeah, police reported ahead. That's why we're going to the left. I do see the police ahead. Seems to be a situation of some sort. I'm so surprised that I actually went across the whole bridge without stopping anywhere once. I'm actually legit shocked. There we go. Unexpected. Very good. So we're gonna go ahead and go straight until we get to probably like 3rd Avenue, like I said before. We shall see. We shall see. Look at that nice little Maserati right there. The Ghibli. I do like it. They sound nice. And then there's some people over here in the MTA New York City Transit truck. They were checking me out before, and I can't blame them either. You know? Come on, baby. Traffic at standstill. But I'm not trying to be a savage in front of these cops here, so that's why we're taking it easy. You know what I mean? Once I'm away from the heat, I can be myself again. But over here, with the poet, it's gonna chill back. Look at that. They're pulling people over left and right. Forget it, bro. There's a person on the other side, on this side. I guess it's towards the end of the month. But yeah, we're definitely not playing any sort of games with any folks. I'm just gonna chill right here. Make up the time somewhere else at a later time, you know? But I can go around this way. Nothing's stopping me to go here. It is a good move. And it's a move only a motorcycle can do. There's Chase Bank on the other side, but I'm trying to do it easy so I don't have to cross avenues or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go straight. Flashing ambulance lights. Oh yes. Here we go. Green light. And is there like some sort of a crazy traffic jam over there? What's happening? Why is there a jam like that? That's quite silly. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go to the right. I'm I'm gonna go to the right because I know a Chase Bank over here, and that way I can get that out of the way and just focus on cruising. I wonder if that Chase Bank is still there. I think it is. I guess we're about to find out. Come on, bicycle, motorcycle. Get out of the way, buddy. There you go. I hope that Chase Bank is still there. It would make everything so much easier. I would really like that. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's so nice to be able to ride and not be freezing your ass off. That's what I've been doing for the last couple months. And I'll be honest with you, it's not as fun as it sounds. Not as fun as it sounds at all. That's a weird license plate in front of me, right? 1213 RN. Who knows what that could mean? Savagery. But it's almost time to go. It's almost time to move. So far I'm doing pretty good on this. By the book, by the law. Ideal person. You know? We'll see. There used to be a Chase Bank right there. Not anymore. Not anymore. How about that shit? No more Chase Bank there. Which is cool. Maybe there's a Chase Bank somewhere else. Tons of police over there on 1st Avenue too. Waze is good about giving me heads up about all the law, you know. I appreciate it. So right now we're actually on Lower East Side where I used to live. I used to live on this block coming up. This spot right here, sidewalk, see with the motorcycles to the top on the right. It's like a bar of sorts where you used to have bike nights and whatnot. And yeah, I used to live on that block. That was quite a few years ago. But here we go. I think there is yeah, is this St. Mark's? Maybe. No, I think St. Mark's is the next one. But there's definitely a Chase Bank over there somewhere. So I could always do that. It's a shame that this bank closed. Should I go down 7th Street? No. No, no, no. Absolutely not. Tompkins Square Park, ladies and gentlemen. This park over here is pretty neat. I used to come here often. Always a good time. It's pretty slow over here. It is definitely not high adrenaline riding that's happening right now. I'll be honest with you. East 9th Street. See if I can do. Here we go. So far so good. This person is like backing up. Son of a bitch. What are you gonna do there, buddy? Good, but Jesus. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn right on 1st Avenue. I thought there was a Chase Bank over here too. I'm just striking out so far with Chase Banks. But it's okay. Not too upset. Delicious, delicious street meat. That's what we call these trucks. I like that dude's beard too. It's pretty dope. The strong beard. I hope this taxi moves, because obviously he's empty. I don't think he has a fare in him, so he's looking for someone, going around slow. And then once he finds a fare, he'll be going around slow even more. But whatever. And that right there is a school where my buddy works. See that building right across the street, right in front of us, that big gray building? Yep. That's where my buddy works. There might be a Chase Bank to the left over there. Yes, that's the one. That's the one we're gonna hit. And I hope there's parking next to it. That'd be just a nice thing. But I guess you never know. So that would accomplish that mission. Williamsburg to Chase Bank in Manhattan. What can I tell you? It's good times. Good, great times. Nope, I'm going straight. Going straight. And then hopefully taking a left over there. Yes, it's a left turning street too. The stars have aligned. We're gonna get a little bit of chase action over here. Am I too close? Probably. Gonna go like this. Not too close. Just need 2 minutes. Wonder if somebody's gonna, you know, savagely take my bag. Hopefully not.